Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I will show you how can you set face lock in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to set your face lock, so guys you can set it. In this video guys, we will see how to set face lock. So I first of all open your phone setting to set face lock. Then guys scroll it and guys come on security setting. Guys click on face, enter your pattern guys, and guys okay. After that guys you will have to show your face, so I am going to pause video and guys show your face, and guys let's see. So after show face guys you can see this okay option, so guys we will click this okay. So guys face lock will set in your Vivo phone. Guys you can see friends, face lock has on in our Vivo phone. So when you will show your face, then guys your phone will open. Guys you can see. So I hope friends you have understood how to set face lock. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.